Good morning, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Danielle. Welcome to the family. It's 4th of July week. That means you know where we are. We're in the Outer Banks. We are still in the same area we always stay in, but we are here for the 4th of July week. We got here yesterday, so we're here from the 2nd to the 9th. It is the 3rd, so 4th of July is tomorrow. My Uncle Brett and Aunt Paget just got here. My friend Catherine is here with her dog. We have 4 dogs here, so it's awesome. And we're in the same area. We're in Pirates Cove where we always stay. My sister will be here Tuesday. So we're just here to have a blast, and I'm gonna bring you guys along. And this house that we're staying in is so incredible. It's so awesome. I found it last year and I was just like, yep, we have to stay here. So super excited, and you guys are gonna come along for the full week. Commence the fun, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my God. I got our first burn in the summer. It always happens. We are back from just a little bit of a couple hours from the beach. We are dressed. What I love about 4th of July here, any holidays really here in this community, is that we make friends. And the best part is that for holidays like the 4th of July, we're like, okay, what are you guys doing tonight? Are you cooking? What's happening? So we're going to have taco night at a family that we are friends with, the Livesays. They have daughters who we've just been friends with for years, and so we are going there for taco night because we were like, what are we doing for dinner? And then Jackie Livesay, she was like, we're having taco night, just come here. And so we were like, all right, we're coming. So we're gonna go eat some tacos, and they're upstairs making guacamole right now, so it's delicious. Happy 4th of July, everybody. It's a beautiful day here in the Outer Banks, and we're so very blessed. We had a very, I had a 5-mile run this morning, and then we actually got back in enough time to go see the 4th of July golf cart parade that they do every year. Oh, there's my friend, my baby. The 4th of July golf cart parade that everybody like does up. There was one golf cart that did like a huge actual airplane, like Top Gun style. And then there was another one that did like a pirate ship and had a Jack Sparrow. So it was really cool because we're in Pirates Cove, so it just made sense. But we're kind of just like going by the seat of our pants today, and the boys went to go get seafood, so we are like sitting up on the deck and just kind of laying there. But I was like, I need to get near some water, like water that I can actually get into, because it's gonna be a warm day. But happy 4th of July. I hope you guys are being safe, having some fun, and we're gonna enjoy this beautiful day, and you guys are gonna come along for it. Hi everybody, welcome to the 4th of July celebrations. We're gonna do a low country boil tonight for dinner. And if you're not from the South or have never done a low country boil, I have absolutely no idea what a low country boil is. It is just this giant pot, and it has potatoes, kielbasa, shrimp, all this seafood in it, in Old Bay. And it's just cooking in this pot of deliciousness. So that's what we're doing tonight for 4th of July dinner. I've got my blue on and jeans, my favorite jeans. But yes, we're gonna have some fun. Fireworks show is at 9:15 tonight. It's gonna be beautiful. But we're gonna eat good tonight. Hello everybody, welcome to July 5th. It is about 1:30. We kind of just haven't done anything. The boys just got back from a long beach cruise, bike ride, and going to the store, and we've just kind of been putts around here. I am like burnt. So I've been a little chill today, just getting some stuff done. But Catherine got 2 jet skis for like an hour, so her and I are gonna go do a jet ski run. And then Haley's coming into town tonight. Very excited that she's finally gonna be here. And then we're going to Blue Water, our favorite place, and this is our first time getting to go, so we're very excited. But yeah, so let's go do some skis, guys. She's here. Oh. When was the last time we were on the back of a truck? Together? See you. Oh shit! I forgot about that. Yeah. The skin is glowing. 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 Look at her. glowing with Haley. Happy Wednesday. It's pretty late in the day. We're doing another low country boil, but this time we've got crabs. We've got corn, sausage, potatoes, shrimp. We've got the whole deal. We've got newspapers down, and we have people coming over. So come along for a low country boil for us for this Thursday, and tomorrow I have a little less work, then I'm going to be able to go out and do stuff, which is really nice. But yeah, so come feast with us.
He's still waiting for his mom.
Yep, it was 18 and 10.
Just one look at you.
Get it. Get it. These crack when I do that. I gotta stretch out.
Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. It is our last day here. We have to leave. God, I look rough this morning. Good grief. It is 6:40 in the morning, and Paget and myself are headed down to Buxton, North Carolina, which is down towards Roanoke, down south more. And so we are headed down there because if you guys have been following my channel for a long time, there is this place called Orange Blossom Bakery that makes these things called apple uglies that are massive and delicious. We're going down there to get them, and we're gonna we have like orders from everybody what they want. So we're headed down there this morning, and it's about an hour drive, so we're hopping in the car. We're up early so we can just go ahead and get down there and get it done. But the drive is beautiful, so thought why not bring you guys along for it and kick off the day for our last day. I'm like so sad that this is our last day already. All right, y'all, and with that, we are gonna say goodbye to the Outer Banks for this trip. I am headed home today with Blue, but this was an incredible trip. We all felt super chill and relaxed, which was so nice, but incredibly grateful. We had so many just different people that were here this week and that we got to spend time with, and it was just awesome. And this was the perfect place to do it. So if you guys like this video, please give a big thumbs up, subscribe down below to join this awesome family for more of this fun. And as always, I'll see you guys back here next time. Bye, y'all.